Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of driving under the influence and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty.
Okay, check that out, or you want to hang here?
Randy and Billy are down there.
Around 3:48 a.m. on August 5, 2023, Sergeant Casey Casbarro and Patrolmen William Pittelko, Randy Yevchak, and Robert Hahn with the West Milford Police Department responded to a report of a broken utility pole in the area of Westbrook Road and Snake Den Road. Patrolman Pittelko was the first to arrive on scene, and he observed a 2020 Subaru WRX that had apparently gone off the roadway and down an embankment. Shortly afterwards, he observed a female exiting the Subaru, who was later identified as 19-year-old Jessica Shuchik. Patrolman Pittelko instructed Jessica to stay by the vehicle until he could locate a safe path around the live electrical wires and make contact with her.
What happened?
I don't know. I didn't ask her.
Okay.
She just got minor, like, scratches, really.
She advised of the cameras and everything, I guess?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. How's it going, ma'am?
Could be worse.
Going?
It's going.
Okay. Alright, Scarlino, I'm Officer Hahn, alright, with the West Milford Police Department. Alright, can you explain to me what happened?
I was driving down here. This is the second accident I've had in this car. I got the car completely lost control. The first time was in winter.
Okay.
In December. I was running summer tires, but it was black ice on the ground. It's an all-wheel drive car, but completely lost control. The passenger side was smashed, and I have no idea what happened here. I lost control. I tried to gain control of the car again, and next thing I know, I'm in the roads.
Okay. Alright, where are you coming from tonight?
I don't know what town it was, but I was all the way up there.
You're not sure where it was, what town you were in? What were you doing tonight?
Just hanging out with a friend.
Hanging out with who?
With a friend.
A friend? Okay. Any drinking tonight? Nothing? Okay. Where are you heading to?
Just going home.
Okay, where's home? Okay. What's your first name?
Jessica.
Jessica. Last name?
Shevchuk.
You spell it?
S-Z-E.
S-Z-E?
W. C like cat. Z like zebra. Y-K.
What's your birthday? Alright, what's an address for you? Alright, what's a good phone number for you? Alright, no one else is in the car with you? Okay. See, he's not with the ambulance squad, is he? Okay. Morning. How's it going, sir?
Good, how are you? Where are you headed?
Alright. This is Jessica. If you guys want to take a look at her real quick.
I do apologize. I had it done.
Okay. Alright. I'm going to be honest, I'm definitely getting an odor of it as you were talking, so that's why I was asking. Okay. We'll let them take a look at you and we'll...
After ensuring there were no other occupants in the vehicle, Patrolman Pittelko escorted Jessica out of the woods to be medically evaluated. First responders arrived on scene and evaluated Jessica, but she ultimately declined to be transported to the hospital. Based on the severity of the accident, Patrolmen Yevchak and Hahn closed down the road.
Go about everything else from there, okay? Alright, if you guys want to do your thing.
Real quick. Do a quick general scan.
Yeah, I was completely flipped upside down.
Did you have your seatbelt on?
No.
No? Okay.
Quick
Would you like me to stand up? No, my neck feels closed.
No clean legs, nothing.
Besides the cuts, no.
That's up to you guys.
Do you want medical?
Yeah. Just keep it rolling. And you said you had just small cuts in between.
Yeah, like my hands. That's really much it. I have no idea.
Like, you roll, you just like, you roll the cars on the side, and put it on the bottom.
I
Fall out as well.
I took my helmet off and I crawled out of the bed. Yeah, I guess out of the truck.
Yeah, obviously. So your neck is all kind
Have a good night.
He's retired. I heard it.
Okay.
He said another car. He saw flashlights, and then the car, like the engine started again, and then they took off. So
Really?
I don't know if somebody else got out of the car. Maybe up that way. Or what? He's like, there was definitely another car I saw.
Okay. She just told me she was drinking.
Yeah.
I mean, I smelled it.
Yeah.
When I kind of went towards your direction in the wind came, I smelled
Yeah,
it.
the wind. Yep.
But yeah, she's like, I'm sorry. I'm going to be honest. I actually did have a drink. I believe she said a drink or two. So, definitely test, and I guess I'll try asking her if someone else was in the car.
Yeah.
I don't know that she'll answer, but
Yeah.
give it a shot. All right, testing. We want to. Do I have Randy, now that she's out, have him back his car up and use his car camera?
Hello.
Alright, so, yeah, she doesn't go at all. I know she told you guys that.
Yeah. Oh, she didn't tell me that. But.
Okay. Apparently, she got a boyfriend coming or whatever to get her, and
Okay.
yeah, that's that. Alright. Who was that guy, Dad or something? The other guy was
I know,
here.
he lives
no,
over there.
he lives right there. I heard the whole thing. Yeah.
All right. So she don't want to go. Okay.
All right. Once she signs, we're good. She's ours.
Okay.
All right.
Sounds good. Just so you get a breakdown, definitely going to be testing.
Yep.
Obvious odor. I asked her if she had anything to drink. She said no, and then a couple seconds later, she said, actually, I did have.
I talked to Billy. Billy said you got a slight odor when you got over the car.
Yeah.
Andrew said she's all over the place. And just listening to her answering questions with them, she's got a slip. Morning.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
So,
We'll go down there.
anything in the car that you can see?
I can't right
Okay.
now. The way it's tilted and stuff, until they do any kind of cribbing,
She said she didn't have her seatbelt on either.
until they do any type of cribbing, there's no way
That guy,
we're going to get into it.
that guy who was just down here just said that he just told Casey, I guess he's retired. He said he saw a car pull up, kind of kill the engine. He saw a bunch of flashlights in here. He saw the engine start up and then took off.
Somebody else.
48 Westbrook. You cancel AOL.
this light back, 'cause I don't need to hold on to
They
this.
look for the drivers.
That's what I'm thinking. My computer? Yeah. Yeah.
So, Billy said so you.
Okay.
Continue. Obviously 19. You have an odor. You have a slur. I would test anyway. Nope.
Yep.
I would test anyway. Just to give baseline.
Mm.
And then after everything's all said and done, it's very easy. You're telling us you're the only one in the vehicle. If you're good with this, you're telling us you're the only one in the
You
vehicle.
guys made it.
No.
Yeah.
It's all stuff she's told us.
Just wanted to be on
Yeah.
in the group.
She's already said there's no one else in the car. There's only me.
Mm-hmm.
Are you willing to stay with that? We have under good, however you want to put it, good knowledge from the witness that another vehicle pulled up and left. Was anybody else operating this vehicle? Because I'm going to be blunt with you right now. We have odor. However the test went, the test go. You're underage. You're saying you were driving a vehicle. At this point, you're going to be arrested for driving while intoxicated.
Yeah.
And let her. No, it wasn't me, it was my boyfriend or whatever. But I mean, at this point, if she's willing to say it was only her driving, I mean, you'd probably do that before you even test.
She said she was the only one in the car.
I just don't buy it.
I don't buy it, but hey, man, if she's gonna take the rap for it, then
Either that, or it could
let her
very
take the
well-
rap for it.
Could well, not only that, it
Yeah,
very
but
well could
really-
be a passer. It could be a passerby that saw the vehicle and just left,
Could be.
or somebody that was following her that was saw her crash, she was okay, and left because they didn't want to get trouble. It could be a lot of stuff.
Because Billy kept looking for a way to get down there and couldn't find it. So I don't know.
She was already out of the car. So she was
that's what
in the
Billy said.
passenger seat or something.
She was out of the car. Apparently, no seatbelt.
Yeah, that's what she told me. It was no seatbelt.
I mean, honestly, to me, the way that car's laying there,
I didn't even see it yet.
Yeah, I couldn't
the more and more
make
I'm
heads or
looking-
tails of it.
No, the more and more I'm looking at, like I was looking at that car down, the more and more I'm thinking about it, you know, the windows are broken out. Like if somebody else was in that car, you'd have like a window out. She don't think that.
Or you gotta look and see if there's any belongings in there that don't look like they'd be
Well,
hers.
that's after they get it out. We can't
Yeah,
do that
no,
until
yeah,
after owner.
of course. Is Billy doing HGN or anything? Or is he? Can he
I don't
do
think he's certified.
HGN?
Maybe. Are you? Let me see if Billy will come up and do it.
Or
Dave's not.
oh yeah, Dave's just box.
Yep. Billy will be our only. Because, yeah. It's very bad.
Yeah.
Hey, can you come up to HGN real quick, please? Thank you, Ben.
Do you want to back your car up so we have your car, or
Well, I have mine lighting right now.
do we have a car? Is Billy's lighting anybody up? Can we just? Cause mine's sideways. Unless we want me to just move mine for the. I could slant it really.
Honestly, you're going to have to turn your...
I could just cant it behind.
You're going to have to turn your flashers off regardless.
That's what I'm saying. I'll just cant it behind it. We'll just park it right here, and that way the road's still shut. I mean, you can't see the big ass fire truck.
I can get out. I'll go and close this off.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then you just turn your flashers off, and then he can do HGN out here. We can do all testing out here.
Can you do it right here with all them lights on though, or do we have to go up the road right
The
here?
HGN he's going to do up there with lighting.
Okay. And the other testing doesn't matter?
Testing flashers don't matter. It's only HGN for the eyes. So we'll use this one. So when she'll back her car up, go here, you'll just angle your car this way before we test, and then you can rock out.
Okay. Alright, let me just slide. Yeah, no, that's fine with me. I just want to make sure that we didn't have an issue with the lights. Yeah, well, it's right there on the line.
After closing the road, Patrolman Hahn approached Jessica and asked her to explain what happened. Jessica told him that she lost control of her vehicle before striking a utility pole and sliding down an embankment. Patrolman Hahn asked her where she was coming from, and Jessica stated that she was heading home after leaving a friend's house. While she initially denied consuming alcohol, she later admitted to consuming alcohol and not wearing her seatbelt. Based on the officer's suspicion of impairment, Jessica was offered an opportunity to perform field sobriety exercises.
Get there, I'll have the.
Okay, I mean, he was saying if he's doing HGN up there, then we don't need to have the lights off for the walk and turn stuff. That's what Randy was saying. That's why I just asked him, because I wasn't sure if those bright lights cause...
He's doing it up there.
Yeah, he's doing it up there right now,
I
so
wasn't even thinking about it.
that's what I figured.
Yeah.
All right. How big? Jessica, right?
Jessica, I'm going to have you come walk with me. My partner's got some other tests that he's going to do.
I'm just gonna go in front of this car over here. All right. The one without the lights on. To your right. Just to the front of the car. Alright, you just stand right here in front. You face me. Okay. Alright, again, everything's being audio video recorded, okay? Both on a body camera and a dash camera, okay?
Patrolman Pittelko started with the horizontal gaze nystagmus HGN test, and he observed 6 indicators of impairment. The next of field sobriety exercises were the walk and turn and one-leg stand tests, and they were administered by Patrolman Hahn. Jessica did not exhibit any indicators of impairment during the walk and turn or one-leg stand tests. The final field sobriety exercise was the modified Robert balance test, and it was administered by Patrolmen Yevchak. During this test, Patrolman Yevchak noticed that she was counting slightly slow, but she was not swaying or having any trouble keeping her balance.
Do you have any medical emergencies that would cause any issues standing, balancing, anything you know about? Are you on any types of medication that you know about? Okay. You said you had 2 drinks tonight? That's it, just 2? Okay. Anything to eat this evening? Okay, nothing. Okay. All right, so we're going to go through a series of other tests. All right, the first one's going to be the walk and turn. Okay, I'm going to explain a series of directions to you. You're going to follow those directions. Do not be getting tight to do so, okay? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your left foot and point it out. You see, actually, we'll move up to this line right here. Come up here for me. That way it's easier for you. All right, you see this line?
Just before we start everything really quick, you agree this is a flat level
Yeah,
surface,
that's good.
well lit?
Yeah.
Straight line? Shoes you're wearing right now, tight, you're good to walk in?
They're soaking wet, so I'm
You're-
stepping on little puddles.
You're okay to walk straight in them though? It shouldn't impede you to be able to walk at all?
don't think so, no.
Okay, cool. You, just curious, what do you do for a living? So you're on your feet a lot? All right. No diabetes, anything like that? All right, cool.
Okay. All right, first thing you're
no
going to do...
injuries?
Nice.
Besides the thing on my knee, no.
Okay. First thing you're going to do is you're going to place your right foot in front of your left foot. Stand on this line for me, okay? I will show you. Right, you're going to place your left foot, take your right foot and place it in front, heel to toe, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to remain in this position. Do not remove from this position until I tell you to begin your test, okay? Once I tell you to begin, you will begin from this starting position, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps with your hands down at your side, counting out loud, okay? On your 9th step, you're going to plant your foot, your left foot, on the line, and you're going to take a series of small steps, spinning 180 degrees, and take another 9 steps back, okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, again, you're going to keep your hands down to your side, count out loud each step, okay? You may begin when you're ready.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We get DPW for road closure.
Okay. All right. Now, if you do now, is again, you're gonna turn around and face me. Okay. The next step, next test we're gonna do is gonna be the one leg stand. Okay. You're gonna stand with your hands down at your side, feet together, just like this. All right. This is gonna be your starting position. Stay in this position. Do not do anything until I tell you to do so. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to lift one leg, either leg of your choice, left or right, approximately 6 inches off the ground. Okay. That's about the size of a soda can. All right, you're going to lift that foot approximately 6 inches off the ground with your arms down at your side. You're going to count out loud in the following manner: 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on. Okay? If for any reason you stop or put your foot down, lift your foot back up and continue counting where you left off. Okay?
Am I allowed to switch legs or no?
Nope, this is whatever leg you feel most comfortable with. Okay? All right, so give me 1 second. Maybe begin when you're ready.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2019, 18, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024.
Okay. You may stop. Okay. All right, just come over here in front of my car for me. Just hang tight. Do you have anything you want to run?
Do one more test with you. Okay. Your feet together, hands down at your sides, just like so. You ever look up at the stars? Okay. So this is what you're gonna do. Okay. When I tell you to begin, all right, don't do so yet. But when I tell you to begin, you're gonna look straight up at the sky like you're stargazing at the stars, just like this. I'm leaving my eyes open for demonstration purposes. But you're gonna lean back, close your eyes, and in your mind, you are going to estimate the passage of 30 seconds. Once you have completed those 30 seconds, I want you to look back at me and say,
DPW has been notified.
Whenever you're ready, you may begin.
You need to speak with Sergeant.
based on the motor vehicle accident, her admission to consuming alcohol, and her being under the age of 21, Patrolman Hahn placed Jessica under arrest for driving under the influence. Her vehicle was impounded for a mandatory 12-hour hold under John's law, and Jessica was transported to the West Milford Police Department for further processing.
How old are you? So, listen, due to the odor of alcohol, okay, I appreciate your honesty that you did consume alcohol tonight. Alright? You're going to be placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. At 19 years old, you cannot be operating a vehicle after drinking. Okay? Please your turn reference to car from the car. Okay? I'm going to take your phone out of your pocket and put it right in the hood of the car. Do you have anything else in your pockets that we need to know about? Anything? Nothing that's going to poke, stick, harm, anything like that? You can place your hands on it.
Put your hands behind your back for me. Place your palms together like you're praying.
So my sergeant here, she's going to just do a quick pat down, make sure there's nothing in there that in your pockets or any person that we need to know about, okay? In the vehicle, where would your license and registration be located? It should be in the glove box. Okay.
Those two tell you? Comfortable?
Do you have anything in the vehicle you would like me to get for you? I know you have your phone, but do you have a wallet, anything like that that's in there? You know where it would be, or probably just, is it in a purse? Okay. Okay, alright, so once, we're not going to be able to get in the car right now, but once we can get in the car, I'll try to grab all this stuff for you, okay? Alright, do you have any questions for us at this point?
My boyfriend is coming. He should
Okay.
be here in a minute.
Okay, well, he's not going to be able to talk to you right now. I'll let him know that there's some stuff going on. You're an adult. You're over 18 years old. I'll let him know that there's some things going on, and he can meet us over at headquarters in a little while, okay? He's not going to be able to talk to you right now, though, alright?
Yeah, you understand you're not, it's not like you're going to jail or anything tonight, right? We're basically going to go back. We got some paperwork to deal with, and then you'll probably, as long as you don't have any warrants or anything, right? You got nothing I need to know about?
No, there was something that happened in Seaside that I have to go to court for, though.
Okay. Listen, that's fine. Like I said, hopefully this will be quick. We'll get some paperwork done, and your boyfriend can take you home.
You want me to turn your phone
Okay.
off for you? This way you don't lose battery? It's fine.
Your boyfriend didn't have anything to drink tonight, right? He's not coming out to pick you up drunk or something?
No.
Okay.
He was sleeping.
Okay. All right. She's just going to check you.
I'm just gonna back you down. I'm not turning around. You have nothing on you?
No.
No, just face the road. Just face the road. Took everything out of your pockets, right?
Okay. Good. Okay. All right. Just gonna follow me to the left side of the car over here, please. Straight to this back door for me. All right. Just grab a seat inside. Just watch your head. Okay. All right. So you know everything's being audio video recorded in the back seat here as well. Okay.
3 West Milford. Good.
I'm 3.
1013, 1 adult female point.
Can I just see it real quick, or should I
Yeah.
get out of it?
No, just hang there.
Yeah, I got it.
All right. Boyfriend's here, but we told Billy just tell him to go straight back there.
Okay. When the road opens up.
Yeah. Tire marks and everything going into it. You have this here,
Okay, yeah, right here.
and then there's more like that.
So wait, was she over? She was over the road? Yeah. Okay.
And actually, going back in a moment.
Billy's AC is fucking up the crime scene.
So you got it here, you got those two, and then you got this one over here.
So I guess she was side. No, I guess not.
I'm gonna assume she went in this way.
She's not even on a turn.
Yeah, no.
I mean, it's just straight. Well, that's why when they said snaked in, I thought it was that turn right there.
Yeah. Not after. And I don't know what. Like, I don't know what position the car's in.
Oh, there it is.
Because all I saw was mangled.
Okay. So where was the pole?
Pretty much fall right when you heard it, I would assume. And then while I was coming, saw the vehicle. There's no way they ran down this embankment and anybody came back up. No, it's too steep. And then plus you'd be running through all those stickers and everything else.
Yeah, no.
Hey, I saw the flashlight. Like, are you sure it was somebody else, though? Because the car's like, without giving you all the details, the car's in the river. Like,
It is just kind of weird though. Like when somebody has spotlighted him, like, oh, I'm gonna go home now. Like,
That's why I'm kind of thinking maybe she was following them. And then they, no headlights behind us anymore. And then came back. Maybe
but they just, I'm just saying they just leave her then. Yeah.
because they were probably just as
Yeah.
wasted.
Yeah, could be. Probably have him leave his lights on now. Or tell him to look around. Yeah.
section is off?
Yeah, between the lights and everything.
Lucky she didn't have a seatbelt on too, man. So she's lucky she's okay for not having a seatbelt on.
That's amazing.
All right.
She rolled a few times before hitting the pole, huh?
I don't think so. I think she just slid. She just peeled. That's not from her car. That's from the. We backed the patrol car up. That was the AC. Yeah, that's from us. Yeah, we just backed it up. Yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at. Yeah, these. That's what I was just saying to Casey. I mean, that's all I could really think of because how close they are right there. I don't know if she, because right, if she was going sideways, eventually the two rears would meet up in the same line because they're symmetrical with one another. So.
They go way back too. Back to where
Oh yeah, yeah. She was over the line.
Yeah. Flying.
I just don't understand what made her correct so much. I mean, she's on a straightaway. It's not like she was on a turn. All right. Let's go do paperwork. What's going on? Oh yeah. Did you see Lou? He's in shorts and his jacket. All right.
You want headquarters?
Yeah. Somebody get out of here.
David yet or no?
Nah. Yeah, I guess he's the one running it, not Casey.
The box?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's certified.
Okay.
Find out from her if she wants me to follow you or not. I don't think she's going to, but actually, I can't even get out of here. So. Hey, box boy. Han's on his way in 4.5. All right, bud. Well, I mean, Sarge's still out here. She's down by the ravine with the car. You want me to have her heading too, or? Well, all right, I'll talk to Sarge because I don't think Billy and I can get out of here. Fire trucks, so. All right, so I'll talk to her, but Han's gonna be on his way in like 2 minutes. All right.
All right.
Yeah, well, she's got to move her car for you. Westbrook.
At Police HQ, Patrolman Hahn read the standard statement from motor vehicle operators to Jessica, and she agreed to submit breath samples for testing.
You doing all right? What was that? All right. All right. Give me 2 minutes because we got to get out. Unfortunately, I obviously can't let you do that here. So, just give me a minute. We're trying to get out of here. All right. Do you want to put your window down? Are you hot at all? Kind of cold? All right. Oh, are you gonna go in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Me and high down.
Got it. Two, 3 West Milford.
10-3.
You're transporting one adult male back to 1480, 1013. Starting mileage 37316.3.
Is it one adult, male or female?
Need one adult female.
0442.
So you and your boyfriend have the same car?
Yep.
Two of them clear in their back, please.
Gotcha.
7.
Do you have anything done to yours? Or no?
Just exhaust
Gotcha. Just exhaust and what?
and wheels.
Oh, okay. What about him? Anything done to that one?
Sorry?
Anything done to his?
Same thing, exhaust and wheels and fins.
Never did anything performance-wise to like race it or anything?
No.
Yeah.
I'm
the other way around. Now, does your boyfriend live in... How far of a drive is it for you to get home?
About 20-25 minutes.
Oh.
Good, 9. If you're on your portable, you have to go back to your car. I'm not getting any of it. ONR, on scene.
Two, 3 West Milford.
10-3.
Back door, any mileage, 37321.2.
0450.
Legs first. Just gonna right to the back door right there. There we go downstairs. However, I'm gonna go in front of you because I don't want you falling. Go ahead. Just go against the wall right here for me. Just face the wall. Face it. Pop these cuffs off you. Okay. First thing you're gonna do is I'm going to take this right cuff off. You're going to place your right hand up on the wall for me, alright? Up on the wall for me. Check her again. The only thing she had was her phone. It's on my,
She's got an Apple Watch. Mind taking your watch off for me?
take the wristbands off too.
Wristbands.
Yeah, my passengers. On the floor.
Patrolman David Borowski administered the alcotest machine, and her results indicated a BAC of 0.05%, while her BAC was under the legal limit of 0.08% for drivers over 21. It was still over the legal limit of 0.02% for drivers under 21. Patrolman Hahn initially issued her the following summonses: operating under the influence, operating under the influence underage, reckless driving, traffic on marked lanes, and failure to wear seat equipment. She was then released to her boyfriend. He signed the potential shared liability warning form on her behalf. After a search of her vehicle subsequently yielded a 1.75-liter bottle of Jose Cuervo Blue Agave Silver Tequila with an open seal that was 3/4 full. Patrolman Hahn issued Jessica an additional summons by mail for having an open container.
I'm just gonna pat you down one more time, alright? That's a cut or dirt on your foot? I think it's just dirt.
Good? Okay. All right, you're going to take your hands down. We're just going to go in this room over here to your right. You're just going to go sit on the other side of the table for me. All right, just so you know, everything's being audio, video recorded in here as well. Cameras on.